Good morning everyone. My name is Gaurav Nirankari and I study in class 8th B. Today I am going to tell my parents about a school ID, how to log in it with Google, then with Google Meet and Google Classroom. First we will see in mobile, then the same thing in computer or laptops. So let's see.
First, we will see in mobile. First of all, you have to open Google. Then you have to click on Google symbol. Then on the top right corner, you have to click on the circle, where appears a new pop-up display in which you have to click on add another account. Then you have to click on Google. Then it will check info of your phone. Then the new display appears in which you have to click on the box and write your school ID given by the school. And then the password, also given by the school. Then you have to click on I agree. And you have successfully logged in your school ID with Google. Now you have to open Google Meet and then you have to click on the top right corner circle and it will log in your school ID automatically. And here you can enter meeting codes. Now you have to open Google Classroom and again you have to click on top right corner circle and it will log in with your ID automatically. Now we'll see in computers or laptops. First you have to open any browser in your computer. Then you have to click on the top right corner circle and then on add another account, where a new display appears in which you have to click on the box and type your school ID. And password as well. Then you have to click next and you have successfully logged in with your ID. Then you have to search Google Meet on the search bar and then many websites appears in which you have to click on the first one. It takes you to the Google Meet application where you have to change your default ID with your school ID. And here you can type meeting codes. Now for Google Classroom, you have to search Google Classroom on the search bar. Then again you have to click on the first link. It takes you to the Google Classroom application. where it will ask you from which ID you have to log in. Then here you have to select your school ID and you have logged in Google Classroom with your school ID. You can change ID if you want.